All right, welcome to online store. How to build your website with Blogger. And if you have not watched my previous video, I will link the video and the playlist of everything about blogging tutorial, how to make money through blogging. I will link them in the description box below. So click the link in the first link in the description box below. I will drop the link to my to this playlist so that you can follow us from the beginning. So this is the second aspect of this video. I will show you in this aspect of the video how you can set up your Blogger website and get started with it. Let's get started. All right, now come to you can do this in two ways. Either you come to your Google and search for blogger.com. This is just the easiest way. Let's just follow only this step. Just type for blogger.com. Now click enter. This will open up a Blogger website for you, right? So if you're new to this, what you do is for you to click on create a blog. This is new to you, but if you have a Blogger website already, you can always click sign in and it will sign you in. But this is a fresh Gmail account. I don't have a Blogger website signed in registered with this email. So what I will do is click on create your blog. The next thing is for you to sign in with your Gmail account. Now, all right, let me verify. All right, when you sign into your Google account, it will land you on this page where you will register your website name. So the first thing is for you to put in the name of your blog. Let me explain. This is what is needed here. What you write here is what you write here is what will be appearing on your your this thing. So this is the name of your website name. Note, there's difference between a website name and website address. So this is a website name that is needed here. So if you want to create a website and you don't know how you can name your website, you can go to the comment section, then right there tell me the type of website you want to create, and I can suggest a name to you. So for this purpose, I want to create a website on finance. So let me think of a name. So assuming this is the name of your website, let's click on next. Now this is your website address. This is www.yourwebsitename.blogspot.com. Note, if you are using a Blogger website, it will come with a subdomain blogspot.com. So so if you don't need this blogspot.com, you need to buy your own personal domain. We call it a custom domain. This one gives your website an authority. So if you want to buy a domain, if you need a domain where you can buy a cheap domain to create your website, I will link it in the description box below, where you can get a cheap domain for your website. So let's continue. So the name of our website was Cash Dollar. So let me type it here, Cash Dollar. This name is not available, so we need to change it. It's not available. Okay, so our website address is cashdollar24.blogspot.com. So let me come back here to change. Okay, we were using cash notes. Sorry for that. Let me try to change that. It's not available, so let's use that Cash Dollar. cash dollar 24. So let's come here and change it to cash dollar cash dollar 24. So let's continue. So next thing now is for you to click on next. All right. Okay, sorry. This first one, this name is the name that will appear on your Blogger dashboard, inside your dashboard. Sorry for that. This one is what will display on top of your dashboard, while this one is the one that will appear as your display name. Look at it. This is what will appear here. This one here, and the one that will appear on the top of the browser like this is this very one here. So we'll still name it cash dollar. Still name it cash dollar 24, and then click on finish. Boom. So everything is all set. We are here on our new Blogger dashboard. This is our dashboard. We are here. So the next thing is for us to begin to set up our this thing and start posting content on our website. So this and our settings. So in our next video, I will show you how you can add a favicon. If you don't know what a favicon is, look at what favicon is. Look at my website here. This logo here is what we call favicon. This is a favicon for Google. This is a favicon for soft gadgets. This favicon for Blogger. So we'll show you how you can create a favicon and use it to update your website. And I will show you as we go on. I will show you the settings of all these, how you can do set up your Blogger website and continue. So for now, we have come to the end of this section. So if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, like this particular video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, I will link the previous video in our description box below. So click the description box and take yourself back to the first aspect of this video. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Goodbye. We will see in our next tutorial.